to be spending the next 2.5 hours together talking about sea turtles. Yay. Alrighty, well, my name is Claire, and I'm a researcher here at the Marine Life Institute of Southern California. Here at MLI, we like to practice the 3 R's, which is to rescue, rehabilitate, and release sea creatures from all around the world. We also have a 4th R that you might not know about, and it's why we're here today, which is research. It's also why we built this window to the Pacific Ocean. Can I get an ooh? Can I get an ah? And after the ah comes, I don't know either. Alrighty, up here in the corner is our hydrophone. That hydrophone works pretty much just like my microphone, and is how our sea creatures are able to communicate with us. And we also have a special guest swimming on down here to talk to us. Does anybody know who we're talking to today? Go ahead and shout it out. Crush, that is right. Crush is going to be swimming on down here to ask you guys some questions about the people world. But he might also give you a chance to ask him some questions about the sea world. Does anybody already have a question in mind for Crush? Go ahead and raise those fins. A few down here in the tide pools and one in the sea. Yay. All right, well, Crush likes talking to kids and adults alike. So if you've ever wanted to ask a giant sea turtle a question, now is the time. You can ask Crush anything. Crush, what's your favorite food? Crush, what's your favorite color? Crush, who's going to the Super Bowl this year? Anything you've ever wanted to ask him, now is the time. If you turn and look in the back, you're going to see my great friend Yolanda. Everybody turn and say hello, Yolanda. That was really great energy, guys. Yolanda is here just in case you need anything. And Yolanda can help you get to your 3 exit doors. They're going to be opposite of the 3 that you came in. Now I'm going to turn down the music, and we're going to turn down the lights, and we're going to get things going. I'm going to have my friends the moonfish come on out to help me out with this last part. Moonfish, swim on out. Let them know there is no eating in the aquatorium, no drinking, no smoking or vaping. And take all the pictures and video you want. Just make sure to turn off the flash. And with the flash, let's give a hand for the moonfish. Thank you. They've been practicing that all week in school. Thank you. Alrighty, Crush is up catching some waves on the EAC, but he let me know when we're ready to talk to him. Just yell out, "Hey, Crush," on the count of 3. So let's do just that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, Crush!
By the turtle. Whoa. Kill the motor, dude. Check out all the humans in the human tank. Hello, human dudes. Oh, delayed reaction. Sweet. Hey, Kokomo Claire, what's up, dude?
Hey, Crush.
Yo, can we make contact with some of these humans?
Totally.
Oh, sweet, dude. Oh, let's start. Oh, dude, same tide pool we are on, dude, but go top corner by the aisle. That dude that's got extra ears. Whoa. Hey, what's your name?
Zaya.
Oh, sweet to meet you, Zoom and Zaya. Dude, do you know how to talk like a turtle?
No.
Oh, try this, dude. Say totally.
Totally.
That was really good. Okay. Say sweet.
Sweet.
Oh, dude, it's like I'm talking to a turtle. Now put them together and say them real loud. Totally sweet.
Totally sweet.
Let's hear it for Zoom and Zaya. Here it is. Oh, whoa, you shredded that phrase, dude. Where do you come from?
I know.
Oh, you know what? My buddy Dory had the same problem. She learned just to follow the shells home. I'm actually here on a mission today. In fact, humans, I'm here with some family too. My son Squirt wants to know all about you humans, but I don't have all the answers. So I've come to learn the ways of the human. Can you help me out? Say chaw. Chaw. You so totally rock. Oh, dude, I gotta teach you that. Hey, humans, when a turtle says, "You so totally rock," respond, "Dude," really loud. So, You so totally rock! Dude! All right, Squirt wants to know how many of you know how to swim like us turtles. So raise your fin, dude. Who knows how to swim? We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got a few out there, dude. Excellent. Well, dude, let's totally go. Well, let's go down to the tide pool right over here, dude. Let's talk to this little grommet right over here near the front middle with like extra ears too. You got dark colored long sleeve shell. Yo, what's your name?
Britannia.
Oh, sweet, dude. Longboard in Britannia. When you go swimming, do you swim fast, like shred the biscuits, or take it nice and easy?
Nice and easy.
Oh, dude, I can see you now. Just keep back on the shell. Got those lids closed. Just like, dude. Oh, man, I like to go fast. Hey, do you want to see how fast I can swim? Say chaw. Okay, let me get the motor revved up, dude. This is going to be sweet. All right, hey, humans, I want you to time me, okay? Start counting when I say go. Ready, go. Back, dudes. Check it out. It just swam all the way around the world. Twice. I can't even see that with a straight face. Oh, but dudes, hey, I'm doing all the talking here, dude. And I promised Claire, if any of you had a question, I'd try to help. Dude, raise your fin. Who's got a question for me, man? Hold up, dude. Don't be shy. Oh, we got a few. Dude, there's some on the tide pool over here. Let's go up to the top corner this time. Like the long sleeve, multicolored shell with the long dark moss on the noggin.
All right.
What's your name?
Caroline.
Awesome. Coasting Caroline. Go for it.
Okay, so how old are you? Because I know turtles.
150, dude. Ah, still young, man. Check it out. Still got the washboard abs. How old are you?
12.
Oh, dude, that's how old I was when I was that age. Sweet. You must be pretty smart then. Maybe you can help me with something. Dude, I found this really cool human thing the other day near the reef. Been trying to figure out what it is, dude. But have you ever seen one of these?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
So you kind of like use it at like a sports event or something?
Oh, I like that. Okay, what do you do? What's step one?
You raise it up.
Okay. Now what?
Then you like cheer or something.
Go! Is it working?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh, dude, that's cool, man. I didn't know how to use it when I first found it. My buddy Jeff the Dolphin was like totally lost the other day. He's like, hey, Crush, where's the EAC, bro? And I was like, dude, it's over there. Dude, I'm gonna give this to Squirt. Thank you so much for your help. You so totally rock! Dude, that's cool. We love using things like that for games, dude. That's awesome.
Games? I love games. Oh, pick me, pick me, pick me.
Sweet! Okay, let's play your favorite game, Little Blue. Hey, humans, close your eyes, dude. All right, Little Blue, you go hide. Find a good hiding spot.
Okay, open them.
All right, dude, open your lids, humans. Look around for Little Blue. You see anything, shout it out. Oh, wait, where's she at? Down there? Wait, are you sure? I don't see anything. Oh, she did leave? Okay.
There's Nemo.
No, dude, we're finding Dory, not finding Nemo. I don't see him either, though. Nemo! Squirt. Okay, how many dudes are playing this game? I give up. Everybody shout, Ollie, Ollie, ocean free!
Yeah! Gotcha.
Nope, humans got you first, dude. Wait, bye.
Hello, dude.
Hello. Oh, I've got an idea. Let's play hide and seek.
We just did.
Catch you later, dude.
And you found them all, humans. You so totally rock.
Yeah.
Dude, let's go, man. Next question. Raise your fins. Oh, dude, we gotta go back to the tide pool over on this side. Hey, right up here in the front corner with like the dark colored hooded shell and the white moss on the noggin.
All right.
Yeah, what's your name?
Archer.
Oh, sweet, awesome Archer, dude. What's your question?
Have you ever swum to New Zealand?
Dude, I'm from the Great Barrier Reef originally. Yes. Dude, I love swimming around down there, dude. What about you? Where are you from?
New Zealand.
Dude, we're neighbors, bro. That's awesome. Wait, how did you get here? Did you swim the whole way too?
Yup.
Oh, dude, excellent. Yo, what's your favorite beach, bro?
Anzac Beach.
Oh, that's pretty cool, man. I love chilling around 90 Mile Beach, dude. It's pretty awesome. It's up near the northern part of the island, dude. You ever get there, you see me, flag me down, dude. We'll catch a wave, okay?
Yup. Sure.
Excellent. Oh, you so totally rock. Dude. Oh, man, let's keep it going, dude. Next question. Whoa. Dude, let's see. Let's totally go. Hey, let's go back over to this side, dude. There's this little grommet right here halfway up the aisle with like the short sleeve multicolored shell.
All right.
Shaw. What's your name?
Vivian.
What's your question, Vertical Vivian?
What's your favorite color?
Oh, dude, okay, let me give you a hint. See if you can guess, okay? I am a Pacific green sea turtle. What do you think my favorite color is?
Indigo.
That's a good guess. That's all right. I'll give you another hint. It looks kind of like the seagrass growing down here. Go for it.
Red.
Okay, I'll try for the third one here, dude. Okay. Let's see. My name is Crush, and my favorite color is green. What do you think it is?
Purple.
Yeah, that's impressive, dude. It's totally purple. It's amazing. Well, dude, what's your favorite color?
Light blue.
Oh, dude, that's a really pretty color, dude. I love it when you're up near the top of the ocean, dude. It gets like really cool and light colored up there, dude. Excellent. How old are you?
10.
Oh, man, that's awesome. Are you in the schools right now?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, what's your favorite thing to learn?
Art.
Dude, okay, so you know a lot about colors. Dude, do you ever draw anything like a turtle?
I think so.
Oh, dude, well, I'll tell you what, you ever need like a model, dude? Just let me know, dude, I'll totally pose. You gotta make sure to get my good side, though, which is every side. Excellent meeting you, dude. You so totally... Oh, whoa. Hey, it's my buddy Bailey. Oh, dude, humans, call him over here. Everyone go, hey, Bailey. Hey, Bailey.
Crush!
Dude.
Hey!
Oh, Bailey, you gotta meet these humans, man.
Oh my goodness, funny looking humans, huh?
They can hear you, bro. The microphone is on.
No, they can't. Watch this. Hi, humans!
See?
Oh, okay. Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, dude, they started, dude.
Wait.
So-
I'm getting something.
Wait, what is it?
Wow! Some of you have 4 ears.
I know.
Weird. I'm not judging. Humans. Later, Crush.
Everybody say bye, Bailey.
Bye, baby.
Dude, man, that was like totally epic.
EAC!
Oh, hey, Squirt. Hold up, dude.
Dad, come on. Time to ride the EAC, dude.
Right on, dude. But first, hey, man, our totally cool friends from the hide and seek game have been teaching me a lot about their world today, little dude.
Sweet.
Totally.
You so totally rock.
Dude!
Rock on, human dude.
Curl away, my son, right behind you. All right, humans, I'm gonna catch a few waves of Squirt. Before I go, dude, remember, treat everyone like an oyster. Because you never really know when you'll meet a pearl. Kind of like a warm and fuzzy moment, huh, humans? That wasn't me. That was Vertical Vivian. See you later.